This is HUAWEI Nova 10, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can add numbers to keyboard on this device. So first of all, let me launch the keyboard and show how it looks without the separate number line. From here, you want to tap on this little icon at the top left corner of your keyboard, then go for the settings of the Celia keyboard. In here, enter the dedicated keyboard category of settings. Now let me show you remind you how does the keyboard look without the separate number line. And now simply switch on this show number row toggle, and as you will be able to see now, that will essentially mean that the separate number row on top of the characters at the Celia keyboard of this device has been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.